day when I was young. The taste of life was sweet as rain upon my tongue. I teased at life as if it were a foolish game, the way the evening breeze may tease a candle flame. The thousand dreams I dream, the splendid things I planned, I always did at last on a weekend shifting sand. I lived by night and shined the naked light of day, and only now I see how the years ran away. Yesterday, when I was young, so many lovely songs were waiting to be sung. So many wayward pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refused to see. I ran so fast that time, and youth at last ran out. I never stopped to think what life was all about, and every conversation I can now recall concerned itself with me and nothing else at all. Yesterday, the moon was blue, and every crazy day brought something good to do. I accused my magic age as if it were a wine, and never saw the ways of emptiness beyond. The game of love I played with arrogance and pride, and every flame I lit too quickly died. The friends I made all seem somehow to drift away, and only I am left on stage to end the play. There are so many stars in me that won't be sung. I feel the bitter taste of tears upon my tongue. The time has come for me to pay for yesterday when I was young.
Nagagatil akas na ama in them all. Tutun itatalo. Na ama in them all. Tutun itatalo. In them all. Tutun itatalo. In them all. Tutun itatalo.
Pagigitjat kon Descase titaro Ada violet Purau ken kurite Nakut ko Atitu ken nalukne Naimas amin Basa sumrek karabuko Tatarong itibado Isut kaimasan Agase titaroon Mabalinya isaw-saw Matis na matis pagkuon Titarong ang talaga The best ama sila Nagbayang amat matmatan Nagbibiting jayong kaya Kuto amat ka ay ayaw Kuti-kuti at talaga Nagmayag kay ayamin At lalo ng presko pailain Ay makaalis itirik na Apek-apek-pelin Titarong na talaga
Titarong na talaga
Kapatid kong tibiyan Titarong na talaga
Titarong na talaga
Makapakatay iti